Go.
Hey Julie, this is Clay Rivenbark out at Tameron Honda. Just wanted to thank you for your inquiry on this CRV. I know you've been talking to Gina and you talked to our operator and our chat lead, so just wanted to shoot you a quick video, let you know that vehicle's still here, and let you take a quick look at it. It's a 2016 CRV EXL. Got the great aggressive LED headlighting. It's in that pearl white color that everybody just loves. It's got a great set of tires on it with alloy wheels, but the interior is where this vehicle stands out. You've got that white interior with that tan leather, perforated leather to allow airflow in and out. So it cools down a lot quicker. It also doesn't get hot. You've also got your sunroof there, as well as your AM, FM, XM radio. It's also compatible with wireless Bluetooth, heated seats. All your Bluetooth controls are right there on the steering wheel. It's only got 34,000 miles on it. So what I need you to do is give me a call, shoot me a text. They said you were coming in around 4. Just let me know when you're on your way. My number is 256-600-6525. I'm going to be the gentleman helping you, and I look forward to earning your business, Julie. Give me a call, let me know when you're on your way, and I can promise you this, and you know it, you've shopped here at Tameron before, you're going to love the way you're treated.